Hello, highlighters! It's me again, Leo, and welcome back for another highlight. And you know the drill, bakit kayo nandito? Since we're going to unbox the new Jolly Kiddie Meal. And that's no other than the Jolly Friends Headpiece. Hihi. Pero ang tanong, kasya kaya sa atin? So let's try and find out. Yan. There are a total of 5 headpiece to collect this time. And it looks so good. Ang cute nito. So tara, let's go! And first one, here's Popo Pan. And here's the first one, here's Popo Fun Visor. Palagay dito, be an energetic athlete like Popo. Wear Popo Fun Visor on your forehead. Position it comfortably over your eyes. Adjust as needed for a snug, playful fit. Ayan. Okay. So, let's just open the packaging. Yan. And what's great about these toys, no? Kasi malapit na yung Halloween. So, meron tayong pwedeng isuot for Halloween. And may chismis ako after this video, kaya stay tuned, highlighters. Yan. Kasi may promo si Jollibee after this one. No after, but I think ilalabas rin siya during this promotion. Yan. So, okay. So, this is Popo. So, Popo is an athlete. So, he loves playing basketball and other sports. Yan. So, let's be like Popo. Ang cool. Ay, meron siyang soft cushion here para hindi masakit. Yan yung visor nyo, di ba? Yan yung hair ni Popo na fries. Ang cute. So, let's try. Uy, ay, baliktad. Sorry na. Actually, nakakatakot baka mabali. But, kasya naman siya. Kasya naman. O, di ba? Pinilit kasya naman. So, ganito siya. Pag naka-wear for adult. Siyempre, suwak na suwak siya for kids. Di ba? So, here you go. Ang cute. Lalo na siguro sa mga baby kids. Sa mga kids, like, siguro mga 5, 4 years old. Cute-cute nito magsuot nila. Anyway, here's the first one. Here's Popo Fun Visor. Ang ganda. And next up, here's Hetty Style Pigtails. Yan. So, be a cheerleader like Hetty. Slide Hetty headband over your head. Position it comfortably over your ears with Hetty's pigtail on the side of your head. Adjust as needed for a snug, playful fit. Okay, so let's try now si Hetty. Actually, may kinalaman kay Hetty yung next na ilalabas ng Jollibee. Hala, ano yun? Wait lang. Tapusin niyo yung video. Okay. So, by the way, this is the first day of the release nitong Jolly Friends Headpiece. Yan ang cool ha. Kasi first time maglabas ng ganito ang Jollibee, yung headpiece. And alam niyo naman ngayon na mahilig lahat sa mga anik-anik like this one, di ba? So, here's the pigtail of Hetty. Pero cute sana man lang like umiilaw, no? Pero okay lang naman. Di ba? Then, meron siyang, ano tawag dito? Pom-pom na tail. I mean, anong tawag doon yung tali? Sa pang babae yan. Kasi nga, cheerleader siya. Si Hetty. So, ito yung, tama ba? Or sa likod siya nilalagay? Yan, it's up to you. Pero paano ba, hindi kasi ako nag-headband, pero I think sa likod. So, yan. Hindi nakikita kasi, yan, ganito yung buhok. So, yan, sa mga girls. Pero sinuot ko pa din, ano. Ang cute lang. Hindi ba? Anyway, yan. Bagay na bagay. For sure ito for girls, diba? Okay. Here's Hetty Style Pigtails. Ganda. Mas snug fit siya, actually. Compared dun kay Popo. Then, of course, here's Jolly Friends Headpiece Yum-tastic Cup. So, be a scientist with like Yum. So, yan. Para naman siyang shades. So, wear Yum's burger cap and shades on your forehead. Position it comfortably over your eyes. Adjust as needed for a snug, playful fit. Yan. Ang cool, di ba? So, ang maganda dito is that, syempre, bukod kay Jollibee, pwede rin kayo maging kay Popo, Yum, and then the like. Di ba? So, be like Hetty, Twirly, Jollibee, Popo, and Yum for a while. Sayang lang, no? Sana si Chump talaga, ginawa na lang part ng toys. Jollibee, why? Why naman ganun? Bakit nyo kinalimutan si Chump after nyo ilabas as a toy? Sana tuloy-tuloy na. But anyway, yan. Here's Yum. Ang cool, no? So, shades po si Yum. Yan. Sana maglabas sila ng ng tawag dito, stuffed toy or plush na kompleto lahat sila. Yung parang nilabas dati. Uy, for me, parang ito yung pinaka-snug fit for me. Diba? So, I'm a male, then mas okay, syempre, for me, syempre, it's either Popo or Yum. Pero sa snug fit, parang ito yung pinaka-okay, Mas cool siya. Diba? Ang cute talaga. Okay, so that's it. If you favorite nyo si Yum and yan, wanted to be like Yum, a scientist and inventor, so better grab this Yum Tastic Cup. Next up, here's Twirly Starband. Yan. Be a superstar like Twirly. So, headband na naman po siya. Okay? So, slide headband over your head. Yan. Same. Position it comfortably over your ears with Twirly Sunday hair centered on top. Yan. Adjust as needed for a snug, playful fit. Okay. So, let's try Twirly. So, Twirly is a performer, a singer, a dancer, or a pop star, in short. So, yan. So, yung mga gusto mag-artista, yan, let's be like Twirly. Okay. Kasi napagkakamalan si Twirly na parang cheerleader din, but not. Okay, pero may kwento ako here, If you're familiar with the Jolly Town, na Jollibee, yan. Dati, yung first episodes ng Jolly Town, si Twirly, ito, yan lang, star dito, di ba? Kasi meron siyang headpiece or headband. Anyway, anong tawag dito yan? Hindi supposedly siya ganito. Originally, it's shades. Yan. Shades po siya ni Hetty na nakalagay sa buhok niya. So, dalawang star yan dito. Yan. So, yun, kung mababalikan nyo, I think uploaded sa YouTube yon. Sa GMA pa naglabas nun na sunglasses, not part ng headpiece. Yun. So, just a trivia highlighters. But now, ginawa na talaga nilang part ng headpiece ni Twirly. Anyway, it's a headband. Yan. So, buti na lang kasya, no? May mas cute to for me. I mean, over Hetty, So, I'll choose Twirly. Ewan ko na, weirdohan lang ako dun sa pigtail. Pero cute. Oh, nice. So, para kayong princess. If ever nakasuot ito. Okay. So, here we go. Here's Twirly Starband. And up for the last one. And okay, here's the last one. Of course, our best friend Jollibee. The Jollibee Chef Hat. Yan. Okay. So, Jollibee is known for being a friendly person. Yan. So, distributing lots of good vibes to all. Diba? Nagtuturo rin ng mga other traits. Good traits. Like, for example, ma-witness na siya sa Jollibee books na nilabas nila. So, it's a headband. So, slide Jollibee headband over your head. Position it comfortably over your ears. Jollibee's chef hat centered on top. Yan, adjust as needed. So, yun. Oh. So, medyo simple lang si Jollibee. So, sana man lang nilabas yung, nakaganon talaga sana yung, naka-pop out yung niya. Yung dito niya, no? But, it's okay. At least, hindi siya ganun breakable kasi pag nakalabas. Kasi mas maganda pag 3D, diba? Pero it's okay naman for me. And, actually, hindi ko alam na chef pala si Jollibee. Lately ko lang nalaman nung naglabas sila ng Jollibee chef, yung nag-iba yung color na chicken, patty, and then the like. So, yan. Pinapilan na si Jollibee is chef. So, kasi sa Jolly Town, hindi siya chef, actually. So, it's Basta bida lang siya. Alam niyo naman, si Jollibee bida lagi. So, yan. Never siya nagluto dun. Parang hindi ko naman nabitas na nagluto siya dun. Anyway, here you go. Here's the last one. Here's Jollibee. Siyempre, mas mabilis na mauubos for sure. Diba? Everyone loves Jollibee. Diba? Oh, pero mas cute siya. Okay. So, that's it. Here's Jollibee Chef Hat. Yan. So, syempre, before we end this video, I'm going to ask you first, which one is your favorite highlighters? Kindly comment down below. So, first one, let's do a recap lang sorry, hindi ko rin kabisado yung name, kaya binabasa ko lang sa side. Here's Hetty Style Pigtails. Yan, for girls. Then, followed by Popo Fun Visor. The fries. Who loves fries here? Yan. Then, the Yum-tastic Cup. Ang pinaka-naiiba sa lahat. Diba? Cool. And next up, here's Pearly Star Band. And the last one would be Jollibee Chef Hat. At least hindi hollow yung likod, no? Unlike sa iba kasi hollow. Oh, yun. And ang maganda lang rin kay Hetty, hindi siya hollow. Diba? Buo. Which is good. Diba? Siyempre, if I'm going to ask, siyempre, favorite ko pa rin si Jollibee. But, if pagpipiliin ako kung si Hetty or si Twirly, I'll choose Twirly. Then, for Yum and Popo, I'll choose Yum. Okay. But, siyempre, better collect them all. Mas maganda, siyempre, kompleto. And highlighters. Ito yung chismis. Ito na nasusuot ko. Kasi may kinalaman kay Hetty yung next. Since Jollibee will release a Hetty Halloween costume. And I'm not familiar pa, or hindi pa ako informed kailan siya ilalabas. But sooner na siya. Kasi if nare-recall nyo last year ba yun? Naglabas sila ng Jollibee costume. Yan. Actually, pinilit ko yun. Hindi kasi kasya for adults yun. For kids lang siya. But, syempre, meron tayo. And may Halloween bucket siya. And ang bilis na ubos nun. And selected stores lang. But now, meron na rin Hetty. Yan. And parang as per hearsay, narinig ko, maglalabas daw sila Jollibee and Hetty. Hindi lang si Hetty. But now, nadagdag lang si Hetty. So, at least for girls, meron na rin, diba? Pero alam naman natin na si Jollibee is for all. Diba? Parang unisex siya. Yan, okay. So, alam niyo na yung chismis highlighters. So, that's it. Yan. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!